This is Larry Bonerato from LarryOnLearning.com, and this is your Morning Minute. Speak to lead, not just to be liked. In a recent Morning Minute, we covered how to make confident decisions, but decision making is not the final step. Communicating that decision effectively is where leadership is truly tested. Here are 5 ways to speak to lead with leadership impact. First, speak with authority. Understand that teams require effective leaders. Your words should carry the confidence of your decision. Prioritize clarity and purpose for maximum effect. Guide the conversation toward the actions that your decisions require. Second, own your point of view. People respect leaders who make decisions. So avoid weak openings like I think or I feel. They signal doubt. Say what you mean clearly and directly. Third, keep your cool. High emotion often leads to poor communication. Instead, show that your decision is based on thoughtful reasoning. Calm, fact-based communication builds trust in both you and in your decision. Fourth, lead with questions. Questions guide thinking. Use them to frame the logic behind your decision. What's the problem? What caused it? What are the options? And why this choice? Great leaders use questions to clarify and align. And fifth, don't overshare. Be brief, be direct, and be clear. Announce your decision with confidence. Repeating yourself or over-explaining weakens your message and invites doubt. Now for today's Morning Minute Challenge. Reflect on a recent decision you made. How well did you communicate it? Run it through these 5 filters and ask yourself, what could you do better next time? And if you'd like an outside perspective, I'm here to help. So speak to lead, not to be liked. And that is today's Morning Minute.